and I don't want to go on pretending that it's gonna be a happy ending. If I should again, once I learn to again, and no, it will never be the same without you, baby. This pain inside me's driving me crazy.
For this video, I'll be teaching you how to play To Love Again by Odette Quesada on a ukulele. So, requested song po ito ni Mr. JC Jax. So, salamat sa pag-request ng kanta. So, first grab your ukulele. Tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So, una tayo sa intro. So, sa intro nito ay G at C. Then, sa verse ay G, C, B minor, E minor, A minor, then D. Then, balik sa G, then C, B minor, then E7, A minor, then D, B minor, E7, A minor, B minor, C, D, then E. Then for the strumming pattern ay pwede lang ganito. Down, up, 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 down, up.
Play's fine, it helps me forget for a while. I look back and recall those days I had with you. Sometimes I need a friend just to make it through another day spent with to go. I just got to let you know it's hard to love again, just to make it through another day spent without you.
Sa chorus ay A, B, G sharp minor, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, then B, A, then balik yan sa G sharp minor, F sharp minor, then B7, E, B minor, then E. Sa second part ng chorus ay A, B, G sharp minor, C sharp 7, dito, 3rd, 4th fret, F sharp minor, B, then E, A, E, A minor, then D.
Just to make it through another day spent without you, and I don't want to go on pretending that it's gonna be a happy ending. you again. Once I learn to again. And you know you will never be the same without you, baby. This pain inside me's driving me crazy. This is hard to love again.
So more or less yun lang ang chords or chord patterns na ginamit ng kanta. So again, yun ang kantang To Love Again by Odette Quesada. So salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.